Hey, this is Mr. Pineda from Business Growth, Marketing, Sales, and Automation. So in this video, I'm going to show to you how I created an AI content repurposing using the Zapier tool. So on your screen, this is the working table or working space of the Zapier tool. On my first, let me zoom in first, zoom in. Yeah. So on this workflow, the first workflow is we have a Google Drive. So the way this AI tool work is you will you'll have an video and you will convert it into a blog post. So this is how this workflow will work. It will repurpose a video content and you will want to create from that video a blog post. So from that video, we will create a two new blog posts and we will post it to our or share it to our social media accounts. So the first one in this workflow is we will have a Google Drive. So in the Google Drive, uh, this is the trigger point wherein the entire workflow will start. So first, I have created a Google Drive and created a folder on that Google Drive. So this is our Google Drive. Alright. So and then I sign into my Google Drive and then I created a folder which is called content repurposing, this one. So this is the folder that I will put the files that are needed for content repurposing. So let's go back to our Zapier tool. So once we added any file from that Google Drive, like for example, if I have put up a video, which is what we need from video to blog post. This is an MP4 video. So that that is the time that the workflow will now trigger in this Zapier tool. So that's why I put this one as an to know where are we now in our steps. So when an MP4 file added to the Google Drive, this trigger will now work. And then what I did is I put up a filter after this trigger. So what happened here is this will only continue if we have uploaded only MP4 file um, on that Google Drive. So here we have a drive and a folder. If someone uploaded a doc, a spreadsheet, or anything else, it will not be processed. Only those files that are MP4 type, those are the files that will be processed by this workflow. So that's why I put this filter here. And as we continue, I have put an AI Zapier tool. So what does this AI Zapier tool is it will transcribe the video that we uploaded to our Google Drive. So as we can see here, uh, here's the file, and if we test it, it will now create two blog posts. So I have created a two blog posts in here um, for this workflow. So it will create two title and two blog content. Then as we continue here, okay, the uh, the Zapier tool is now going to 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 create this blog content using this Zapier tool. As I've told you, the first one is the first workflow here. It will transcribe the video into text. This is the workflow here, and the next flow is it will now create a new blog content with the blog title and the blog content. There are two blog content that will be created in this workflow. And finally, we will now have a two contents from our video, and then I'll add the looping by Zapier. And the reason for we added, so we can get these two. We separate the two blog post content from this is step here, AI by Zapier, and then from looping, we will now separate those two content, the blog title and the blog content. There are two contents we have, and this tool will loop them. And then from the next step is we have paths. So the path, what's going to happen here is uh this path will choose where or what to post on the social content. For example, in this path, if I want to post only those blog title that contains the joy. For example, if this is my parameter, this is what my filter. It's like a filter also the patch, and all those blog contents that contains the joy in their title, those are the blog posts that and content that will be posted to our social media, like the Facebook pages, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And for the second part, the part B, so my condition here is for the blog title that contains art of interview. So all the blogs, we have two content right now. So we can have as many as content as we have, and we can put a filter, or let's say a parameter wherein on this path, for this path B, I put filter or a parameter that if that blog title has an art of interview in the title, then it will now post those content or blog posts to our social media like the Facebook page, Instagram, and the LinkedIn. So that is what this AI content repurposing tool using by Zapier by uh, repurposing our video content into blog content. So that's all for now in this video. And if you need help in your marketing, sales, or any automation in your business, so you will have more time and you will be more focused on your business, and just send a link, I mean contact me through my Facebook page, and I will also drop a link for my personal profile in my Facebook. So that's all for now in this video, and have a great day everyone. Bye.